it's me, Brodie. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a sonic screwdriver. First thing you'll need is a sonic screwdriver. Second thing you'll need is a nice cool bow tie, because well, bow ties are cool. Anyways, let's get to it, shall we? Okay, the first thing that you need to know is that the sonic screwdriver can scan for alien life forms. All you need to do is press a button and then flick it open, check the scan, and then you're done. Let's try it out, shall we? Nope, there doesn't seem to be any alien life forms about today. But you always should check, you never know when it can happen. Okay, so let's just say the door locks on you, or you forgot your keys or something or other. All you do is you press the button, or in fact you could flick it open and then use it while it's extended, and the door should open. What it does is that it technically spreads the particles, or sometimes it breaks. I like to think of it as breaking and entering. So let's give it a try, shall we? Oh, well, that sometimes happens. We just won't tell anyone about that, shall we? Okay, let's just say you're one of those guys that can't be bothered to get up out of your bed and turn the TV on. Or too lazy to get up out of your bed and get the remote, which is a meter away from you on your desk. The sonic screwdriver works on every electrical device that you can find, including your TV. It also works on basically everything else except for wood. I still haven't managed to configure wood. Anyways, let's give it a try, shall we? The remote is just over there. I can't be bothered to get up and turn the TV on. Trusty old sonic screwdriver. Not only does the sonic screwdriver turn on electrical devices, or search for alien life forms, or even unlock a door, it can also search for devices that you yourself need, like something that you might be looking for or you've lost. What you do is, and then you flick it open, see what you've lost, see if it's there. If it's not, then it's lost. If you do find it, then it's there. Let's try it out, shall we? Where is it? It says it's in this drawer. Let's check it out, shall we? It is! My old Sonic! Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button for more videos. You can follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Cheers guys!